Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product. Today's product is an instant ready mix from MTR, and the product that we are going to review today is the MTR Dosa breakfast time. So this is the MTR ready mix for dosa, and this is what we are going to review today. So this will help us make dosas instantly. So like you all know, for making dosas you need to keep the batter, create a batter a day in advance and then let it ferment. So there's no need of fermentation, nothing. This is a ready mix available from MTR, and you can make delicious crisp dosas from this batter itself. So very few ingredients required apart from this, and today we are going to show you how to make the MTR dosa, and we are going to review the dosa and the product. So let's get started. First of all, with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a plastic bag, and this is a plastic cover that they have, and right here we can see the MTR branding right on top. Then here it states that it's a ready mix. Here's the name of the product, which is dosa. This is an MTR original dosa recipe. Breakfast time is written here. Here is an illustration of a nice crisp dosa here. So here it says delightfully crisp and golden rice dosas, a traditional breakfast ready in an instant. So what are the benefits of the MTR instant dosa? It has natural protein, it has goodness of whole grains, it has high energy, it's an high energy breakfast. So this packet is of net quantity is half kg. This is a half kg packet, and this has been priced at, let's see what is the price. It has been priced at rupees 125 for half kg of MTR dosa. So let's go back to the back side of the packet and let's see what is there. Again, we have the MTR branding right here, ready mix written here, the name of the product dosa here, MTR dip. Serve hot with sambar, coconut chutney and potato curry. This half kg packet makes up to 20 to 25 dosas, which will serve 10 to 12 people. That's 2 dosas per person. Wow, that's a lot of dosa. I didn't expect. I thought it would make around 5 to 10 dosas, but it says that it will make 20 to 25 dosas. So that is a good amount. Let's look at the cooking instructions. How do we make these dosas? So you can make these dosas in 3 easy steps. Number 1, you just need to take 1 measure of the mix, 1 measure, same quantity of water, and half measure of sour curds. So you'll require curds. So the only 2 ingredients apart from this dosa mix you require is water and curd. Okay. If you do not have curds, you can also alternatively form the batter by adding half measure of water more instead of curds. Then you need to set that batter aside for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes, not overnight, only for 5 minutes, right? And once that happens, after 5 minutes, you can take a spoonful of batter, spread it on the tawa, and then let it cook on hot tawa. Let it cook for a few minutes, and then your golden brown dosa will be ready. So easy, from what it is written here, from the directions given here, it seems like a super easy task. So today we are going to try that out, and we will do a taste test of the MTR ready mix dosa. Okay, let's go down. Remember, store in a cool dry place. Once open, transfer the contents to an airtight container. Use a dry spoon. Okay, so if you plan to make just half packet, you can also store the other half packet in an airtight container. So that is another advantage of MTR ready mix dosa. You don't need to make 20-25 dosas at a time. You can make say 5 dosas, 10 dosas, whatever is the quantity that you require, and then you can store the rest in an airtight container again, which is a good thing. Moving below, they have given the feedback addresses and multiple addresses, phone numbers, license numbers. Again, they have mentioned the net quantity here. Here are the nutritional facts mentioned. So let's just quickly have a look at the nutritional facts. Per 100 grams, it provides 362 calories. It has 12 grams of protein in 100 grams. That's a lot. 12% is protein. 65 grams of carbohydrates, zero sugars, dietary fiber is 5.5, so there's good enough of fiber in it. Total fat is 6. The zero trans fat, zero cholesterol, sodium is 1340. So yeah, so this was all the info about the MTR ready mix dosa. Now coming to what I like about this is that since it is a instant dosa mix, this is a good thing to have handy. Like whenever you want to make something new or innovative for breakfast, this is where you go. This is what you go to, right? It cooks really quick in 3 to 5 minutes. It will be ready for you. The dosas come out crisp, is what's written here. So we are going to try that out. Yeah, overall it looks like a good packet and it is priced decently at rupees 125. Because if you go to eat a masala dosa or sada dosa, you will end up paying minimum rupees 30 for a dosa. And this packet, which is costing you 125, will give you a dosa. Like for 125 you'll get 20 to 25 dosas. That's a lot. So that is like rupees 5 per dosa. So yeah, so this is definitely a cost effective dosa batter for you. If you want to have dosa, if you're craving for dosas, this is perfect for you all. So let's go ahead and open the packet and see what's inside. How does the batter look? So guys, let's quickly open the packet up, and here is my pair of scissors, so I'm just going to cut it off from here. And see, this is how the batter looks. It's like really like powdery. Actually, if you look at it, it's completely powdery. And let me just wipe my hands off. I feel like powder. See, you can see that this is like complete powder batter. So the batter is powdery here. And let's take a measure. So I've got a vati here, or small vati here. So we'll take a measure of 1 vati of this powder, 1 vati of water, and half vati of curds. So let's get that ready. Guys, here I have mixed the dosa. I made the dosa batter using the MTR ready mix dosa packet. So this is what I use. I use the MTR ready mix dosa packet. I use the measure of water, and I have mixed half measure of curds, and then I stir it all together to form a nice batter here. So you can see the consistency of the batter is nice and thick, and I think this is a perfect consistency for making dosas. So now we are just going to take it and then make dosas out of this batter. So first thing, we'll need to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and make the dosas. So yeah, so stay tuned for us making dosas. So guys, I went ahead and I made the dosa, and here it is. This is how the dosa has become for me. But generally, whenever I buy batter and make dosa, also it comes out like this itself. So I think it's not a problem with the batter, but it's a problem with my way of making dosa. And this is how the dosa has come out. So it is still nice and crispy, but yeah, a small dosa. Small dosa, and not the traditional dosa the way it looks. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the taste test. So first of all, let me take a bite. Here is the dosa. Here we go. There's overall good taste to the dosa. It cooked really fast. Perfect amount of salt is there. You don't need to add salt to it as well. Like this perfect amount of salt already in the batter. It has that crispiness too. So overall, I think it's a good instant dosa mix, which helps you to make dosas instantly. So I would rate it a 5 on 5 for the MTR ready dosa mix. And if you all have tried using the MTR ready dosa mix, do let me know in the comments below. And if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.